I feel like I'm getting really sick and tired of my home. Got my doctor. Alright, no need to panic, no need to panic. Now this is giving me exactly what I wanted. I really treasure moments like these, you know. That's me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki and I'm back again with another video. I hope you're all doing really well. First of all, I don't feel too good. I don't really know what happened, guys. I've just been really ill the last couple of days. Like literally yesterday I had no energy. I had a really bad throat. I don't know, I think it's flu. It is flu. It is flu. It's flu. It's fine. I'll be fine in a couple of days. I feel like when people get sick these days, everyone just panics like, oh my god, I think I've got coronavirus. But guys, we've been getting colds and flus for centuries. Do you know what I mean? Like every winter, people get sick. We're not going to panic. We're just going to continue with our normal. I feel like I sound really, you know, ill, but we're just gonna continue.
Hello, that's my channel.
Is it your channel?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh. What's that on my nose? So what did you do this morning? Remember this morning? This morning we had a Zoom call with our school. They had a virtual nativity play, so we was watching that. How did you look? Did you like it? Do you wish you was at school?
Yeah.
What's your favourite song?
A bear hunt. My favourite song was The Bear Hunt.
Zan's obsessed with The Bear Hunt at the moment.
I'm going to sing it. We're going on
a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one.
Double check, double check.
I feel like I'm getting really sick and tired of my home. I'm just getting fed up of how it looks. I switched up Zan's room. I changed all his furniture around and I just rearranged everything because Esme actually sleeps in my room. And I had a cot in Zan's room and I have a cot in my room, but I took the other cot down and now Zan's got a lot more space. So I had to just rearrange everything. And do you like your new room? Yeah?
I do.
Yeah, he loves his new room. He's got a lot more space now. I got a Darnell delivery yesterday. I got some new curtains and I got just a couple diffusers and a new lampshade. I just want to switch up. I feel like, because let me show you. The curtains are black and they've got this. It is a nice design. It's pretty. I've had these for like a year. It's got a nice, pretty design on it. There you go. This is not the vibe I'm going for in here. Like if I show you the front room, I just feel like there's too much black curtains, black lampshade, black. Do you know what I mean? So I want to switch this for something lighter as well. I want to change the rug on the floor. The rug gets really dirty really quickly, so that's the only reason. I don't know. I'm so sorry if I'm all over the place. Like I literally don't really feel that good. I really don't feel that good, but I've got a lot more energy than I have the last few days, so I just want to get what I need to get done right now. And I'm kind of glad I'm ill right now and not this time next week, because obviously it's Christmas next week. I should be fine by the end of the week. It's Wednesday today. I should be fine by Sunday, so it's fine. I'm gonna go get the box and we will unbox it together. I've got my box here. I've got my Darnell. Is it Darnell? I've always called it Darnell. I really hope that my curtains are the right size, because honestly I did guess. I measured it like roughly and then I just guessed. So fingers crossed that it actually fits my window, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be so annoyed. So this is the lampshade that I got. I love like chandelier types. I've got some cute bling diffusers, which I'm so excited to smell these. This is, oh, I don't know what this is. This is grapefruit and patchouli. And I've got my silver curtains. These are really similar to the curtains in my bedroom. So I'm really hoping they fit this window. I do feel like these curtains are gonna transform the room, because black, it's just very, it closes things in, do you know what I mean? And because my front room's not massive anyways, I just feel like I need to make the most of the space that I've got. I think lighter colours will do that for me. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get these curtains up. Oh gosh, I hope I don't fall down or nothing. These curtains that are up already was a lot more difficult because they had the little, I'll show you in a minute, but as you can see, these ones just go through the pole.
You have a black curtain.
Yeah, so we're going to take them down and we're going to put up some silver curtains.
Yes.
Taking down the curtains, as you can see, I'm going to fold these up and just put them away. I'm going to keep them. I need to see if these are going to fit. I hope they do. These look really long. I hope they're not too long. Obviously I knew that I wanted them a little bit longer than normal. I wanted them a little bit longer than the actual length. Actually, oh my gosh guys, it might be alright, you know, it actually might be alright. It might be alright. Alright, no need to panic, no need to panic. Now this is giving me exactly what I wanted. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with them. I'm actually really happy with them. They fit perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I think I'm actually going to change the pole to either silver or white. Definitely opens up the room a little bit, just how I wanted. Now I'm going to deal with this lampshade. I'm going to take this down and put up my chandelier. So this is the lampshade. Now don't get me wrong, this lampshade is really pretty, but it's a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I'm not 100% sure because I've got another chandelier in my kitchen. I've got another one here which is much bigger, so I'm not sure if I should change them around. Actually, I think I will. Yeah, I prefer this lampshade a lot better. It's a lot bigger for the space. The other day I made some lemon, ginger and garlic tea. If you know, you know. So you boil up ginger, garlic and lemon and you drink it. It's meant to like be really healthy and it's really good for when you've got colds and flus and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have a cup of that right now. If you know about this, then you know about it. If you don't, get with it because it actually works, that's the thing. Oh yeah, and you add honey into it as well. So I've filled up my cup like 3/4 of the way and I'm gonna top it up with hot water because it's way too lemony. Like when I drank it yesterday, it was like really bitter. So I'm gonna add in some more water to dilute it and then I'm gonna add in my honey and then it will be good to go. Hey guys, it's a new morning. I hope you're all doing well. This vlog is going to be all over the place. I know I ended yesterday quite abruptly when I was putting up the curtains and the light. Today is a new day. So yeah, Esme has gone out with her dad and I'm here with Zion. Oh, where are you? You're there.
Hello, my channel. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you're well.
So we're gonna go to the park. Obviously, me and Zion really don't get to spend much time together. Like, it's a very rare occasion where it's just the two of us. So we're gonna go to the park and just spend some quality time together. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to go. So we'll see you at the park.
Bye, guys.
So we're just going for a nice walk in the park. Oh my gosh, it's so cold, guys. I should have brought my scarf.
What's that noise?
Sounds like a machine.
It's not a thing.
This tree is massive.
I don't think found a monkey in that tree.
Guys, can you see this? This tree must have been here for centuries. Look at that. That's mad. That is mad. I've never seen a tree trunk that big. Have you?
No.
It's massive, isn't it? The only thing, yeah, I don't like about going to the park is all the flies and stuff. I know it's minor, but guys, I'm not a bugs or insects girl, do you know what I mean? Can't stand them, makes my skin crawl. It's a beautiful day. It's just nice to spend time with Zion because sometimes I literally forget that it was just me and Zion before Esme came, and it's just like, wow, like it feels so weird. It's refreshing. I really treasure moments like these, you know. You alright, Zion? Yeah. Good. Oh, it's very muddy. It's very muddy. I don't have my wellies on either. The trees in here are massive. It's big, isn't it?
It had a trunk.
A big trunk.
Little trunk.
You're going fast, Zion. Oh my god. I gotta run to keep up with you, mate. Not through there, Zion. Go there, over there. Look, you can go over there to avoid all of this mud. Yeah, look at the wheels. Oh my gosh. Go on. I'm super hyper, as you can see. This is Esme. Will you take this out, Esme? You take it out.
Why is my hair done? Mommy?
Zion.
Why is my
I
hair
did her hair the other day and oh my gosh, doing Esme's hair is a nightmare. I was kicking up a fuss. Kicking up a fuss, wasn't you, Esme? You was kicking up a fuss, wasn't you, Esme? Literally, I'll take the dummy out, the thumb goes straight in. Esme, look,
like that?
take your thumb out. Oh, see what I mean? You put the dummy back in. Yeah? What, Esme, when are you going to stop sucking your dummy? Let's take it out. See, it's not that bad, is it? It's not that bad, is it? And the thumb goes back in. So just trying to put your thumb in your mouth and your dummy in your mouth. I think Esme is hungry, guys. So we're gonna go now. I'm gonna go and give Esme her dinner. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So I'm going to be doing an M&S baby girl haul on my channel next. Esme. You want both? You can't have both. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want to join my gang, my crew, my family, all you have to do is subscribe. What, Zion? I haven't finished about bye, guys. I'm so sorry. What am I saying? I don't know, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye, guys.